The Lotus Esprit is one of the most iconic British sports cars of all time, known for its sharp wedge design and unforgettable appearance in the 1977 James Bond movie The Spy Who Loved Me. In that film, Roger Moore's 007 piloted a white Esprit S1 through mountain roads before diving underwater in one of cinema's most memorable car stunts. Now, 50 years after the debut of the original Esprit, a new company called Encor has taken on the task of reviving this legend for a modern audience. And unlike Bond's gadget-packed Lotus, this one comes with something even 007 never had: a full carbon fiber body. Encor, a UK-based startup, has revealed its ambitious project to remaster the Esprit S1, blending the iconic design of Giugiaro's 1970s original with modern engineering and luxury touches. The company plans to build just 50 examples, each based on a donor Lotus Esprit V8 from the late 1990s. This ensures that every car retains its Lotus identity, backbone chassis, and registration, while benefiting from massive upgrades in performance, usability, and comfort. From the outside, the car is unmistakably an S1 Esprit, with its wedge profile faithfully recreated in lightweight carbon fiber. Even the famous pop-up headlights make a return, though this time they house LED units instead of halogen bulbs. These modern touches respect the spirit of the original while making the car practical for 21st-century roads. Underneath the retro skin lies the heart of a 1996 to 2004 Esprit V8, a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged engine designed in-house by Lotus. When it debuted, this motor made 350 horsepower, more than double the output of the 2.2-liter four-cylinder in the 1976 Esprit S1. Encor, however, goes even further. Each V8 is fully rebuilt and updated, offering greater power, smoother drivability, and reliability that surpasses the factory cars. This ensures that the remastered Esprit doesn't just look like a classic, it drives like a true modern supercar. The interior has also been transformed. While the wraparound cockpit design remains true to the 1970s original, materials and technology have been brought into the modern era. Buyers can expect Alcantara and fine leather, precision-machined aluminum trim, and a suite of digital conveniences, including Apple CarPlay, climate control, and a 360-degree camera system. That last feature is particularly welcome, since anyone who has tried parking an original Esprit knows just how tricky visibility can be. Encor's team includes engineers who once worked for Lotus and Aston Martin, ensuring that the build quality and refinement live up to the hefty price tag. And hefty it is. Each of the 50 cars will cost £430,000, or about $579,000, plus options, taxes, and the price of a donor Esprit V8. That makes it significantly more expensive than most supercars on the market today. But for collectors and enthusiasts, it offers something money usually can't buy: a faithful reimagining of a Bond car icon reborn with cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship. As of now, Encor has only released a handful of images, but the first completed car is expected to debut next month. Already, speculation is swirling about what models the company might tackle next. A reimagined Esprit Turbo in the red and gold Essex Petroleum livery of the early 1980s would certainly turn heads. And given the current trend of modernized classics, the possibilities seem endless. One thing is certain: the Lotus Esprit has never gone out of style, and Encor's ambitious tribute ensures it will continue to capture imaginations for years to come. For fans of 1970s design, James Bond memorabilia, and British motoring heritage, this is shaping up to be one of the most exciting revivals of the decade.